YouTube, welcome back to another episode of Auntie's Kitchen. Simple and delicious food cooked and prepared in South Korea with South Korean ingredients. And you may be asking, why do I have a balloon in my hand? And that would be a very good question. Today, we are going to be making Easter chocolate eggs. Absolutely delightful. In fact, we're going to be making one. And in the video today, you're going to be seeing me go from 4 balloons to 1 balloon. I'm not going to say too much. I'm going to let you watch this video, but it's well worth watching. 2 balloons explode on me, chocolate everywhere, but I succeeded because the final egg is absolutely beautiful. So let's get on with it. I hope you enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up. It's worth it because I get chocolate everywhere. God bless and enjoy. So you need some balloons, some string and some paper to catch the chocolate drips on and something to hang your balloon from. Put a bowl over boiling water and place your chocolate inside to get it melting while you prepare the balloons. Nice and clean. That will be 1 balloon. 3 balloons. Let's keep melting our chocolate. Good. It is important to wash your balloons because you're going to be eating the chocolate, and make sure that you oil the outside of them because this makes separating them from the chocolate a lot easier later. Also make sure that you have somewhere to hang them once they are covered in chocolate. You need to let it cool down a bit, otherwise your balloon will burst. Just cover it there at the bottom, like this. I did it last time. Okay. That one didn't work. The chocolate was too hot and it has burst. Oh my goodness. All right, you need to wait for your chocolate to cool down a little bit. That was too hot. Come on, I need you to work with me. Let's take that off there, maybe that'll make a difference. It didn't do this last time. Okay, let's try again. So I'm gonna do half this time. Oh, that does feel hot. So let's not push it. It does feel hot. Just not wanting to do, is it? Okay, let's try one more. As well as learning how to make a chocolate egg in this video, I want to encourage you, as this quote suggests, don't give up but learn from your mistakes. Okay, I reckon we got 1. Let's try one more. I've already changed my plan here and decided to cover all of the balloons with chocolate. Okay, I reckon we've got 1, 2, out of all of that disaster. I'm making sure that I have covered both balloons in chocolate so that I have 2 complete eggs. I'm moving quickly because I'm aware that I need to clean up all the chocolate mess before the chocolate sets. Let's let that dry while I attempt some form of a clear up. So YouTube, that was clear up finished. No one will ever know that I had a chocolate explosion in the kitchen. So let me go and shower because I think I still have a few remnants left on me, and we will do round 2 of the Easter egg balloons later on when I come back from my Bible study. Bye! I've just seen the ceiling. Oh my God. Don't put the balloons in while the chocolate's still hot. It's not worth the clear up. Just in case you're wondering, the clear up took me about an hour. So the moral of the story, do not allow your balloons to explode. Now I've melted some more chocolate and I'm just deciding here which egg to use from my refrigerator. And I decide that this one is to go back in the refrigerator and be my backup, and that I will carry on using the bigger egg. With your melted chocolate, you're then going to use a spoon and apply the chocolate to your balloon to make a second layer. Now you'll see here that I start at the top. I will then hang up the balloon and begin to work on the middle and the lower section. And I realize that I've made a mistake. So when you do this, I highly recommend you hold the top first, work on the bottom, then hang up your balloon and finish with covering the top with chocolate. It will be a lot easier and a lot less messy. Once I finish covering the balloon, I allow it to dry in my conservatory area for an hour before moving it to the refrigerator. This is now the next day and I need to remove my balloon from my 2 chocolate molds. I will work on this mold first and I will work on my second mold afterwards. The first thing you need to do is to cut your balloon to allow air to escape in the inside. Now, if I were to leave this for a couple of hours, the balloon will naturally pull itself away from the chocolate. But I choose not to wait, but to use a chopstick to gently move the balloon away from the edge of my egg shell. This does take a long time, so take your time and be gentle. You will see that holes begin to appear in my egg, and that is because even though we used oil, some of the balloon was stuck to the side, and as I pulled the balloon away, it pulled some of the egg. Now, once I have completely removed the balloon like this, you will see I pull out one big bit. All that's left for me to do is with the flashlight check that there is none inside, and then I can begin to fill it with chocolate and cover it with my spare egg and seal it up. I check one more time that there is no balloon inside. Let's fill our chocolate egg with some chocolates, because every Easter egg has got to have some chocolates inside. These are mint chocolate. Just like that. A few more. There we go. So there's our chocolate inside our egg. And next I'm going to use the outside of this to patch up my egg. Like so. I use some of the outer shell of my spare egg to patch up the holes on my egg. I use some more melted chocolate to make sure all my cover-ups are blended in, and then I will leave this in the refrigerator to cool and harden. Be the chocolatiest egg you've ever tasted. This is turning out to be a Jurassic Park egg. Since it's very hot and we don't want it to melt our dark chocolate. You can hear chocolate's inside. That's okay now. Like this. And then sprinkle some of these so that they stick onto the chocolate. I've had the chocolate egg in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, and as you can see here, the top part is now set. I have now turned the egg upside down, and I will now cover and decorate the bottom half. And to finish it off, oh no, it's on the other side here. I'm going to, same as before, just put some sprinkles. Once I've finished putting sprinkles onto my chocolate egg, I will put it in the refrigerator for the final time and allow the bottom to become hard before I wrap it up and put it into its display box. So here we have the finished Easter egg. I've made a little box. A here represents Auntie A, Auntie A's kitchen from this YouTube channel. Inside here you can see we have our egg that I've wrapped in foil, and I've made a little holder here. I've wrapped it up in Korean paper, and this is my Easter egg, and I'm going to be giving this away to someone on their YouTube channel. I want to say to you, thanks for watching today. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell. The bell will let you know when new episodes arrive. I wouldn't want you to miss anything. Next week I'm going to be posting English hot cross buns, which is another traditional food that we eat at Easter. I want to say thank you for being here with me today. God bless you, and if I don't get the opportunity to say beforehand, have a wonderful time celebrating Easter and everything that Jesus did on the cross for you. God bless. Cha-ching!